What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing software that allows you to edit, view, create a PDF, markup, convert, scan, organize or quickly summarize PDFs with amazing features. This software that I'm going to show you today is an amazing software and I recommend you to download it. PDF files pop up everywhere online, so you are bound to need to work with them. That means using software that lets you make changes in those static files. In order to avoid spending lots of money on softwares which you may not use often enough to justify the price, and in order to skip free apps that don't work well enough, you should consider understanding this amazing software called Afirstsoft PDF. The user-friendly Afirstsoft PDF software is available for Mac, PC, iOS, and Android. Not only that, Afirst software is continuously updated with new features like the latest AI functionality. Power users will be thrilled that you only need one license to operate the AI integrated software in all platforms. It's a great PDF editor for all devices. Also, you can use it with PC, Android devices, or simply via the web. And with Afirstsoft PDF Cloud feature, users can sync PDFs across platforms easily, so you can edit your files anywhere. And you can even ask questions about a PDF via Afirstsoft's AI feature. So let's go ahead and try the software. This is the software and this is the main interface. So let's start it. I'm gonna show you some of the best software features. So the first thing I recommend you to do is go ahead and sign into your account or create a new account. This allows you to sync your PDF files across all the platforms. So I will sign into my account. Okay, now I will show you the software features. So if you go to the tools option here, you will find the software features. So here with Afirstsoft AI feature, you can analyze, summarize, and ask questions about your PDF to make your PDFs the best they can be. Afirstsoft AI instantly analyzes your PDFs to extract precise information and responds directly to your queries. It can also condense extensive PDFs into concise summaries, highlighting crucial information, and you can use it to translate PDF text in any language. Here you can edit PDF documents, convert documents to editable text, convert PDF to Word, convert PDF to Excel, to PowerPoint, and to image. And here you can create a new PDF document. Okay, I have a PDF, so I'm going to open it. To open a PDF, just click the plus button here. Now find your PDF file. This is it. And as you see, this is my PDF file. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to edit, mark up, convert, organize, or quickly summarize a PDF file. So first of all, one of the best features of the software is that you can zoom in and zoom out. This makes it really easy to edit and select the text you want. You can zoom in or zoom out from the bottom here, or simply right-click on mouse, then select zoom in or zoom out. It's that simple. The software also has another amazing feature, which is the two-page view. Afirstsoft PDF lets you easily open and view PDF documents in a single page view or two-page view as you see. Also view PDF in scrolling or two-page scrolling mode. This makes it easy to edit multiple pages at the same time. Now I will show you how to add annotation to PDF file, like adding highlight, underline text, adding stickers, and more. So if you go to the command option here, you will find all the options you want. Here you can quickly highlight any text you want. You can of course change the color. You can also underline text from here. Just select the text you want and that's it. You can change the color if you want. So it's pretty easy to highlight, underline any text you want and change the color. With Afirstsoft software, also you can add strike-through text to emphasize points, insert customizable text boxes, or add colorful and stickers to the file to create more visual interest as well. So as you see, it's really easy to strike through any text you want. If you want, you can delete the highlight, underline, and strike through. You can also add tilde to text as you see. It's pretty amazing way to add visual interest to your PDF file. And finally, from here you can add stickers to your PDF. You will find many beautiful stickers that you can easily add to your PDF file. It's just like drag and drop. Of course, you can move the stickers anywhere and also resize the stickers as you want. You can quickly access all these options just by selecting the text you want. And as you see, from here you can copy the text, highlight the text, underline text, or add tilde to text. Now I will show you how to edit PDF file. To edit PDF file, go to edit option here. Here you can edit the text. You can move it anywhere, resize it, change fonts, change font size, change text color, add bold text, and many more. You can add text to your PDF file just by clicking on Add Text button here. As you see, you can write anything you want and add it to your PDF. Afirstsoft PDF lets you easily open and read PDFs. Users can view PDF documents and also can highlight, strike through, and underline text to emphasize points, insert customizable text boxes, or add colorful and informative stickers to the file to create more visual interest. Alright, now I will show you how to convert PDFs to other formats and create new PDFs. Afirstsoft PDF lets you easily convert PDF files to other formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF archival, text, HTML, RTF, PNG, and more. You can quickly convert PDF file from here. Users can also easily create PDFs from images as well as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel documents. Now I will show you how to convert PDF file. So I will convert my PDF file to Word. Here you can change the pages you want to convert. I will keep them all. From here you can change output format. You can choose Word, Excel, PowerPoint, RTF, PNG, and more. Here you can change where you want to save the file. I will keep it default. Now click Convert and wait a few seconds. And boom, that's it. As you see, I have converted my PDF file to a Word document. It's pretty easy. If you want, you can also convert your PDF file to image. So I will choose PNG format, hit convert, and that's it. The software has converted my PDF file to an images. Now I will show you how to organize PDFs. To organize a PDF, make sure you are on Edit option. Now click on this blue square as you see. You can extract, create, delete, rotate, and crop PDF pages. You can delete unnecessary pages with pinpoint precision, individually or in batches. And it's easy to adjust the orientation of the PDF pages precisely by rotating the pages. If you want to delete a page, just go to Pages option here, and then you can choose any page and delete it. It's that easy. Now, after making any changes to your PDF file, go to the File menu here. From here, you can save the changes and also save the file to cloud. Okay, now I will show you how to perform OCR scanning on PDFs. Afirstsoft PDF's advanced and powerful OCR tool can detect and convert scanning documents or image-based PDFs into 20 languages into searchable and editable files. To do it, just click on OCR option here. Now hit download. It will take some time, and as you see, OCR download is completed. Now go ahead and click on OCR option. Here you can change it to scan to editable text or to scan to searchable text in image. I will keep it to editable text. Here you can change from current page or all pages. Here you can choose language recognition. I will keep it English only. Now hit perform OCR. Wait a few seconds. And boom, that's it. It's now editable text. Now you can change the text you want and edit the PDF file as you want. Here you can quickly highlight any text you want. You can of course change the color, just select the text you want and that's it. Now finally the last thing we have here is Afirstsoft AI feature. With it you can analyze, summarize and ask questions about your PDF with Afirstsoft AI to make your PDFs the best they can be. Afirstsoft AI instantly analyzes your PDFs to extract precise information and respond directly to your queries. It can also condense extensive PDFs into concise summaries, highlighting crucial information. As you can see, the powerful AI feature has shortened my 14 pages to this very simple text. This makes it easier to read this simple text than reading the 14 pages. This feature is really amazing and will make it easier for you to get the text you want with ease. And the best thing is that you can ask questions about your PDF with Afirstsoft AI to make your PDFs the best they can be. With all those great features, Afirstsoft PDF is a convenient and powerful PDF tool for all users. So guys, get started with Afirstsoft PDF today. Try it for free and unlock an exclusive discount on the Pro version. Make sure to click the link in the description for more info. You will find the download link below this video. So guys, this is our video for today. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.